Good morning, everyone. Khan here again with Como Group, and we always talk business credit. Now, today I got a very important topic, and it is the 20-point compliance checklist. And why is it important? It's again the 20-point compliance checklist and why it is important. Now, we know business credit, and we assume that business credit is just creating a business credit score. Okay, but why? How can you create a business credit score when that entity is not set up correctly? Okay, so this 20-point compliance check, you will understand today why it is very important. Now remember, in our last video, I did explain that business credit consists of two parts. The first is your business credibility report, and that is the 20-point compliance. Your business credibility report, which is your 20 points compliance. And the second part is building of the business credit report. Okay, and this is the actual building of business credit, which is applying to Tier 1 Net 30 accounts. Okay, so before you start applying to Tier 1 Net 30 accounts, we must complete the 20-point compliance check. Remember, the 20-point compliance check is actually your credibility report. That means you are proving to an underwriter for a bank or a financial institution that your business is real. Okay, it makes your business look real in front of the underwriters of the financial institutions and the bank. Yes. That underwriter will do a credibility report, especially if they're giving you big lines. And most of the times, because you have done the credibility report, you pass all the checks and get automatic approvals. In the end, that's what you want. You want less talk and let your file do the talking for you, where you're applying for credit or loans and you're getting this automatic approval. Okay, so before you start building business credit, which is applying to vendors or companies to extend to you small credit lines so you can establish a business credit report, you must complete the 20-point compliance checklist. Now, so whether you are operating a real business that's currently open, whether you're a startup business, or you're establishing business for the purpose of building business credit to gain funding so you can start a business or invest in real estate, you must complete the 20 points compliance check. Okay, I know some of you out there have an idea of some venture or business that you want to get into, so you are building business credit to raise the capital so you can either start that business or get into your investment. Okay, your company must also look real. Every company and every business must pass the 20-point compliance check. Okay, so as you and then again, as you go through the compliance check, that 20 points, you're gonna see some small little tasks there. Okay, they are very important. Do not skip it and say, oh, it doesn't seem important, because that might be the deciding factor that you get denied or approved. Okay, so everything on that 20-point compliance checklist is very important. Now, if you want to succeed in building business credit and take the full advantage of what business credit can do for you when it comes to raising capital or helping your business, you must complete the 20-point compliance. Okay, so when everybody's talking about building business credit is only establishing accounts, small accounts with vendors who will extend to you small business lines of credit that will later report to your business credit report, and it gives you a credit score, a business credit score, or a paydex score. So building business credit is the act of applying to, for example, Tier 1 Net 30 accounts and having those vendors or company extend small credit to your business, which in turn will report to the credit bureaus and create a business credit profile on you and giving you a business credit score. Okay, so that is business credit building. But before you can do business credit building, you must pass the credibility checklist, the credibility report, Okay, so before you can even apply to Tier 1 Net 30 accounts, please complete the credibility report. Now, when you're starting applying for Tier 1, it becomes easy. Tier 2 and Tier 3 becomes easy. And when you're going for big lines of credit and big high limit credit cards, you want automatic approvals. You don't want them to question your entity. So to avoid those questions, any type of question or getting on the phone or having to get on the phone with an underwriter, please complete your credibility report. In the end, that is so important, because you can build the best business credit. It means get all the companies to approve you and create a business credit report. And now when you go to the real guys to get real money, you realize your credibility report wasn't completed. Okay, now, so in the end, you want maximum funding, automatic approvals, and pre-qualifications, that they're sending you promotions. Banks and financial institutions are sending you promotions and say, apply, you're pre-qualified. If you want those things, please complete your credibility report. Okay, now what I suggest to you all is, make a binder, put your company name on it, and create your own. Go to our website, find the checklist, the credibility report, write every step there, and check it off as you complete it. So whether you're building one company or 5 companies, I always suggest to create a binder on every company, and then everything you do for a company, you have a checklist, and every task that is completed, you know where you stand. And always set yourself new goals for the next day. So every day, if you do 2 or 3 steps or whatever you're going to do, you complete your steps of whatever you're doing, and then always write another, task, what you plan to do next. Now, if you want to know where to find the 20-point compliance, just look on the website and see build a business credit. If you click on there, the first thing you're going to see is the compliant. It talks about business credit a little bit, and then it starts with a 20-point compliance. Okay, so whether you're an existing business right now and is hoping to build business credit, please go and check your compliance and make sure your business is in compliant. Okay, now remember, I have warned you here about about the importance of the credibility report, which is the 20-point compliance. Okay, do not overlook it and get denied because you did not pay attention to it. Okay, now once you complete the 20-point compliance checklist, then you can move on to your Tier 1 Net 30 accounts on our website. Okay, hope this video was good for you. I have to cough, so I have to go. Okay, we'll talk later.